Another AC call. Check this out. I got the turret unit. It's coming down. It's working. I'll show you what I got work on. I gotta keep the camera up. You can't see it. So pull it open because the thermostat's not turning at all. Woo, that's a hot leg right there. Check it out. See a burnt connection. We'll let you dig into that. I think it's most likely this relay, because it's not shutting off. I can pull the thermostat and it's not shutting off, so I'll dig into it. Yeah, on that furnace head is just a fan relay. I put a new fan relay in it. Yeah, that's plain Jane simple stuff there, but anyway, this other AC call I got, the air's not working. Guy just moved in. I thought it was working. Anyways, check this out. I took the cover off. The freaking wire's disconnected. I wonder who did that. It sure wasn't me. I have to wire this back up, man. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. That's really because the tenant just moved out. Beats me, man. We'll find out the hard way, won't we? Open the freaking Thursday, man. Yep. As soon as I plugged it on, man, it arced up some wires and tripped the breaker. The pressure's done. Yeah, it's only 30 years or 40 years old. Yep, just going, well, at least I got a brand new one right there. Or whatever. It's 3 o'clock. Ain't gonna happen. Yep. Well, the yanker, I got her yanked out. It's the old one tore off. I got that one over there. Put the crane over there this morning. I didn't use an anchor point. I just slid it underneath the old AC. But anyways, so we gonna have to do a flush. There's a flush. You gotta flush out the old R22 stuff in order to hook up the new 410. So that's what we'll get started on. In the shade. Bet I don't drink anymore. Anyway, get this installed. Hold on. Got her installed. It's running. Got the new tubing. I didn't do much with the low voltage, so I got it put back inside. Oh, I got silicone on my finger. Anyway, so I got it all installed. Sitting here letting the testos do their thing. I might be just a tad bit low, but I've already got all my ACs off. I loaded them up in the truck a little bit ago and dropped them off at the shop after lunch. All right, I had a couple other things I need to throw off this roof today. Well, it looks like another install. That'll be next. Just another good install. That day at sea. Oof, it's a little warm up here. Man, I can't imagine what August's gonna be like. Jeez. It's only the 2nd of June. Ooh, it's a bit toasty up here on this roof, but there's your truck. So I got the cross. I found a stud for that. That was no big deal. I was able to just move the cross back over here on this side so that I could load it up in the truck real quick. I just gotta get tools off the roof and double check the pressures. It's another Friday. You guys have a good one, man. Hey, appreciate if you like these videos, man. Hit that like button. Appreciate it, man. Well, we got this one installed. Everything nice and pretty. A little short on my hoe. I don't have any insulation, so we have to do for right now. Got the new casing on it. She installed. The pressures were a little funky. I don't know what's going on with this one. Couldn't get the superheat right at all. So my luck. The lady that lives right underneath here, this is her AC, and it's not running right. This shit is not cooling it down. So guess I switch my testos over, and we'll Give this one a shot. See what up. I'm getting too old for this. Really am. That rooftop, man, it wears you out. Sitting down in the shade. I got all my tools down off the roof. Everything laid out here. It's 4 o'clock. So they're taking a break and my back's killing me. So the AC, the first one's fine. It's working great. I got it down to like 64 degrees in that apartment, man. That girl was all covered up. Anyways, the unit above is the one to the right. She really wasn't that bad off. It was her thermostat was bad. It was old mercury, and it wasn't mounted to the wall properly, so it kept tipping over. Every time she turned it, it would tip. It would tip over and shut off, so that's why it wasn't cooling down. But that's about it for the day. Get all this loaded up, man. You guys have a good weekend. Hey, man, do me a favor. Hit that like button, will you? I appreciate that. If you don't, I'll know who's watching this video. I'm just messing. You guys have a great weekend.